Morning, students. Let us start the subject history, lesson French Revolution, topic the outbreak of the revolution. In previous class, I have told you about role of the French philosophers. I have told about few philosophers like Rousseau, Montesquieu, John Locke, etc. What they had written in his book and what they had given the message to the French people. Now, today we will discuss the outbreak of the revolution. On 5th May 1789, Louis XVI called together an assembly of the States General to pass proposals for new taxes. In the previous classes, I have told about taxes. First and second estate were exempted for paying taxes. Only third estate had paid taxes. Now the king wanted to impose new taxes on third estate. So in this connection, on 5th May 1789, Louis XVI called together an assembly of the States General to pass proposals for new taxes. You will see States General. What do you mean by States General? The States General was the legislature body of France up until the French Revolution. The king would call a meeting of the States General when he wanted the advice on certain issues. The States General did not meet regularly and had no real power. In 1789, the King Louis XVI called a meeting of the States General. It was the first meeting of the States General called since 1614. He called the meeting because the French government was having financial problems. Just I have told you about States General. King called the meeting of States General for being new taxes, for imposing new taxes on third estate. The French government was having financial problems. First and second estates sent 300 representatives each, who were seated in rows facing each other on two sides, while the 600 members of the third estate had to stand at the back. First and second estates sent 300 representatives. And how they were seated in rows facing each other on two sides, while 600 members of third estate had to stand at the back. The third estate was represented by its more prosperous and educated members. In previous classes, I have told you about third estate had many groups. First, businessmen, lawyer, servicemen, doctor, teachers, etc. Second group, peasants, artisans, etc. Third, landless laborers, bonded laborers, servants, etc. So the third estate was represented by its more prosperous and educated members. First group of the third estate. However, their grievances, peasants and artisans and women were denied entry to the assembly. Peasants, artisans, and women were not allowed to take entry into the assembly. However, their grievances, their claims, and demands were listed in some 40,000 letters which the representatives carried with them. voting in States General has been conducted as according to past principle of each state had one vote, but members of the third state demanded for each member would have one vote philosophy. States States General voting system. Each state had one vote. Now the third state had recommended for each member would have one vote philosophy. But the king rejected this process, this voting process. Due to rejection by the king, third state walked out of the assembly in protest. On 20th June, they assembled in the hall of an indoor tennis court in the ground of Versailles. और 20th जून को ये लोग फिर से इकट्ठा हुए वर्साइल्स में. Now, students, we will discuss the same topic in the next class. Till then, wait and read attentively what I taught you in the class.